What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to have a closer look at these watch band, as you can basically see right here. So basically we have at least 10 of them which basically come in this package. So we have all different colors, as you can basically see right here guys. We have all different neat colors, as you can see, and I love how it's basically blends in with all the colors inside, with that basically stripe looking inside right there, as you can basically see. So we have all of these that basically comes inside, and I love all this basically packaging. And as you can see, we have all these colors. So inside right here we have as well these pins, as you can basically see guys. These are the pins that basically can use to basically put these on your hands right here with your watch. So basically I'm just gonna try one out right now guys. So as you can see, gonna pull it out the package, and this is basically how the watch band basically look guys, which is looking pretty neat. As you can see, we can fold out like this, and that's how it basically looks. So it basically can go on your hand by strapping it on with the watch inside. So I'm going to use a watch band to demonstrate basically how this works. Okay guys, for the purpose of this video I'm going to use my watch right here to demonstrate basically how it works. So this watch is without a watch band, so I'm going to use this to basically show you guys how this basically works. So as you can see right here guys, I have my pin inside right here already. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put my watch inside it to basically strap it up. So basically I'm going to put my like this into this part right here. So I'm going to drive this part here through, push this part right here, through this part right here. You can basically see how this basically coming along so far. So as you guys can see right here guys, I basically push this right through, right up here, which basically push it mostly to the left right here, which basically mostly push it up to this side right here, so you can basically see. So what I can basically do right now is to strap this right here inside this like so. So it looks something like this, as you guys can basically see, which gonna look something more up to this side right here. I'm gonna place it right now on my hand. And I push this part right here through right here, and then I can basically clip it like this, like so, with this clipping right here. Make sure that it's basically tight, and it looks something like this. And now you can push this part right here up to this like so, and it basically strap on to my hand, which is looking really perfect with this watch band right here, looking pretty neat, as you guys can basically see. I'm loving this basically so far and how it basically looks. So hope you find this video very helpful. Thank you guys for watching.